Next comes the various stages of labor, or you can say parturition. So there are three stages of parturition. First is demarcated by dilatation of the cervix. Second stage includes expulsion of the fetus, and third stage includes expulsion of the fetal membranes. So let's read about what various changes or what various things they happen during these three stages of labor or parturition. So this is in the tablet form. So during first stage of labor, dilatation of cervix, it is demarcated by dilatation of cervix. So during this stage, there will be regular uterine contractions. It starts with beginning of uterine contractions until the cervix is fully dilated and is continuous with the vagina. That means there will be formation of the complete birth canal. So इस time पे क्या होगा? What various events you can see? There will be maternal restlessness. The dam will be restless, obviously due to this contractions. There will be increased pulse as well as respiratory rate, and there will be changes in fetal posture and position so as to align the fetus uh, in such a way that it comes in continuity with the birth canal and it will be expelled out of the uterus. So there will be postural changes in the fetus during first stage of labor. So during second stage of labor, which is called as which is demarcated by expulsion of fetus, but during this phase or during this stage, there will be both uterine as well as abdominal contractions. Strong uterine and abdominal contractions. There will be complete cervical dilatation, and it is ended by delivery of the fetus. So when there is complete dilatation, we can say that this stage 2 has started. So once there is delivery of the fetus, so second stage is ended up. So during this phase, the dam will become recumbent and will be straining due to contractions, and the straining will aid expulsion of the fetus. So as you all know, fetus is lined by allantochorion and amnion. So there will be rupture of allantochorion, which is called first water bath, and there will be escape of fluid through vulva, obviously. There will be appearance of amnion, which is second water bath, and जैसे जैसे delivery of fetus will be it will continue. There will be rupture of amnion as well, and the fetus will be delivered. So these events will occur during second stage of labor. So now coming to third stage of labor, it is demarcated by expulsion of the fetal membranes. So during this phase, the uterine contractions, they decrease in amplitude. Obviously, the fetus is already expelled out, so the uterus starts shrinking as well, and the uterine contractions, they decrease. So during this phase, the following the delivery of the fetus, the expulsion of the fetal membranes will be there. So during this phase, maternal straining ceases. Obviously, the fetus is already expelled out, so there won't be any maternal straining. So the loosening of chorionic villi from the maternal crypts will be there. तभी उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, धीरे धीरे detachment will be there, and fetal membranes will be expelled out. And also there will be inversion of chorioallantois. Straining and expulsion of fetal membranes is there. Very little bit of straining will be there, and it is demarcated or ended up when the fetal membranes are completely expelled out. Sometimes ये आप वैसे obstetrics में पढ़ोगे later on. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि there is delay in this expulsion of fetal membranes. That condition is called as retention of placenta or retention of fetal membranes. So this chart shows the duration of the three stages of labor or three stages of parturition in case of different species. So when we talk about the first stage of labor, it is almost 1 to 4 hours duration in case of mare, 2 to 6 hours in case of cow, 2 to 6 hours in case of ewe as well, and 2 to 12 hours in case of sow, while 6 to 12 hours in case of bitches. So the stage 2 has a duration of almost 12 to 30 minutes in case of mare, 30 minutes to 4 hours in case of cow, 30 to 120 minutes, or you can say 30 minutes to 2 hours in case of ewe, 150 to 180 minutes in case of sow, because this is a polytopous species and it will take, and this duration of second stage of labor, it varies according to the litter size as well. If the litter size is of 10 or 12 piglets, so the time taken will be more, obviously. And in case of bitches, it is almost 6 hours, but if the litter size is large, it may take up to 24 hours for expulsion of all the fetuses. So the third stage of labor, which is placental expulsion, it takes almost 1 hour in case of mare, 6 to 12 hours in case of cow, 5 to 8 hours in case of ewe, 1 to 4 hours in case of sow, and in case of bitches, the placenta comes out along with the individual fetuses. जैसे जैसे fetuses deliver होते जाएंगे, वैसे वैसे placenta भी निकलता जाएगा. तो उसमें as such कोई अलग से third stage of labor की timing नहीं है, क्योंकि वो placenta जो है वो fetus के साथ साथ निकल रहा है. So you can say in case of bitches, the kind of stage 2 and stage 3 of labor, they are combined or they are overlapping with each other. Okay, so that's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much for being patient.